Ryan. And still playable. Quick attack by Mylem. Ay, Narag. Combination play by Bulan. Okay. Narag to the opposite. Banan with the attack. Serve. And a service ace for Simangan. Timeout. And a quick play there. Balatico. Service. And block by Lumabaw. And Antonio reclaims the point. A regalo point for off the block point by Simangan. Barak. Tangilan to Ramos with a drop. Point for quick attack by Bagaya. Yan. And a regalo. Beran to Bakay through the block.
Score now.
And quarterfinals, Team Amulong versus Team Kanapi. Tries to get a point and she did. Ball. Beran chooses Layugan. On the middle, Layugan. Again, target Kanapi. On the middle. Point. Desunya to Sapio. And a point for Team Amulong. Dig there. And a swipe for the top. Cross-court shot by Somera. Galano, superable. Tino, Barkin. And shoot play for Galano. Barkin. Pai. Serve Somera. Kilang. Sapla with the hit. And Antonio. Ramos. Antonio with that Simangan on that cross-court kill. Quick attack.